We also called it as a skull. Mandible, spine, rib cage, scapula, clavicle, humerus, radius, ulna, carpal bones, metacarpals, phalanges, femur, tibia, fibula, patella, tarsals, metatarsals, phalanges.
Good job.